to go?
Oh my God.
What's up? This your man, Chris Watts, baby. Me and PC about to board heading to Charlotte. Then we're going to be off to Vegas for the White Label Conference. It's going to be a great trip.
Yeah. Every flight to Panama City, you gotta walk out. Walk to the plane on the tarmac. And in Charlotte, you gotta do the same thing.
Do you?
Well, on the way back. Here. The Panama City is
need
all
a
the
private
same.
jet this big.
They all have to walk to the tarmac.
Huh?
Private jets, you have to walk out.
Oh, yeah.
We have made it to Vegas. You gonna try your luck on the slots?
Huh?
No, wasting no money.
How many dollar bills you do it?
Wasting no money. We are in Vegas. We've made it here. City of Lights. Hadn't got downtown yet. It's gonna be a lot more busy, but we're going to get something to eat, and we'll see you in a little bit. Going to eat at Veggie House in Chinatown. It is my vegan kung pao. Oh, that looks delish. Yay! Yay! Okay, day one of White Label Expo was pretty good. We went into the convention center and there was a lot going on. A lot of booths with a lot of information, a lot of products. And we really just went there to get a lot of information and ideas about, something that we might want to get started. It definitely is a great experience. This is day one of the White Label Expo, and I'm going to show you kind of what we saw and what we did today. And then tomorrow will be the second day of the White Label Expo here in Las Vegas, Nevada, February 26, 2020. And tomorrow, February 27, 2020 will be the last day. So hopefully you find some of the information good. Definitely a good experience to be in the atmosphere. A lot to learn when it comes to e-commerce and online sales. We've been studying it for a while and excited to move forward, but this is just one step in the journey of really building business and creating multiple streams of income, which is what we want to do if you're going to work for yourself and be an entrepreneur. So hey, this is day one, so take a look. Oh wow, so we're here, guys. It's gonna be so many people like that here. Oh, they have water. You know, you can tell some water because if it's pH9 or,
So I want to clear that up before we get into the meat of the presentation. So Alibaba.com, we are the world's largest business-to-business wholesale marketplace. It's a little bit of a mouthful. The way I like to conceptualize it is think e-commerce meets Costco. Alibaba.com is not a business-to-consumer platform. We are strictly business-to-business or wholesale. The average transaction size on our platform is over $3,000. So we are very different than your typical business-to-consumer platform.
That's in himself, and he ultimately loves a person looking back at him, then he's going to have that confidence and that support to take care of his family, his friends, his career.
What's happening? We are here at the White Label, having a great time. Tons of business, tons of information. It's a lot, but it's good though. It's good though. We got our packages. We got tons of brochures about different things we were interested in. And it's time to get to the bag.
It's a lot. Oh, okey-doke. Hold on. There's so many companies and businesses here, it's hard to think through it. I think we're looking on the technical end about shipping, drop shipping, all of that good stuff.
It's like their big.
I don't know who he's whistling at, but somebody. I wonder what they're talking about over here.
I thought you was gonna film the extra thing instead of you. I think you were saying about YouTube.
I am.
Basically, have the CB2 receptors.
But they gotta know that we're here.
With your, your immune
Oh, they're doing
system,
CBD
skeletal
gummies.
Tissue, liver, pancreas, GI, and then it goes deeper into inflammation.
So many different products that you
At the end
can
of the day, what we're
white label and sell. A lot of CBD stuff, I smell it. It's very strong. Can you smell it?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
I love it.
That's super strong. Cannabis dispensary is legal out here. Yee. Oh, it's a little chapel. We can get married again. Forget people come to Vegas and get married on the fly. Biggest regret of their lives. Whoa. Where are we? A topless cabaret. My God.
I bet that
Seafood tacos. I bet that's good. On the side of the road.
This is busting right here.
I bet that mess is good.
Mexican veggie vegan.
Oh, wow. And I bet it's good, too.
I
Look at
bet you
that.
it's amazing.
The kind of stuff that they don't show you in Vegas. You only usually get the strip, but I'm giving you the real part of Vegas. Where probably the food is pretty fantastic. They don't tell you about that part. They don't tell you about that part. I bet there's some good Mexican food. Look at all the palms. Oh, look at the desert, the mountains over there. That's beautiful. Oh, there's another wedding chapel. Yay, yay. Oh, lady. Oh, who knows? That's not nice. Oh, this is the wedding strip. There's another wedding chapel. Elvis. Oh, Elvis gets you married. There's another. Oh, this is the wedding chapel street. So, okay, what street are we on? Do you know? I need to find out what street we're on so I can tag it down there. So when you come to Vegas, if you're looking for the wedding chapels, this is the road you need to be on. There's a lot of other stuff on this road, but you can definitely get married on this road. I'm gonna tell them. Okay, where's the street sign? Oh, it's on Las Vegas Boulevard. Las Vegas Boulevard. You can get married. Oh, look at those mountains over there. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yep, mountains. So we're getting ready to go eat at the Nation here on just the corner of 7th and Carson in Vegas. 7th and Carson, Vegan Nation. Hopefully it's really good. I'll let you guys know once we get over there. But Vegan Nation, this is what this street looks like. The donut place over there that I probably want to try. Waiting on Chris to pay for parking. And we're gonna go there. Vegan Nation. Alright. First we'll wait to be seated. It's nice in here. Cute little place. Let's see if the food's good. So we're at Vegan Nation. Got my appetizer, the buffalo cauliflower wings. And they're delish. I have no complaints whatsoever with those. Got tea and here he is.
Let me see what the cauliflower wings.
Hitting now. They good. They got a little kick to them.
Do they?
But they're good to me.
Let's
You
see.
know you don't like spice. Let's see his reaction, y'all.
Why you gotta film my reaction?
Because I've already had my reaction.
No, they didn't show your reaction. You telling them what your reaction is.
There he is.
Is it real spicy?
No, it just tastes like buffalo spice.
Oh, I can do
I like
that.
buffalo wings. Delish.
Cut the camera. Cut the camera.
Chicken pot pie. How's your chicken sandwich? Good? Yeah, it was good. I'm experimenting. I don't got everything off the menu. That is eggplant stack. It's good. I don't care for the texture, but the sauce is amazing. Meatballs, delish. Sauce again, amazing. And the chicken pot pie. It's good, but it has the flavor of that. What is the powder that you use? I put it in the thing to get the cheesy flavor. It's a little aftertaste to it, but I still like it. It's good. All right, I'm gonna go in this. Donut bar. Not sure if it's good or not, but I'm just gonna check it out. Oh, sold out. What the heck? They're closed.